Hi, Joey. I thought making this short video was probably more effective than me trying to type out a discussion with how to navigate Canvas. So when I'm going to post something like this for the entire class, but I wanted to make sure that you understand your specific question. So when you get into the Canvas site, this is what I'm actually going to change into student view really quick. This is what it's going to look like to you, right? You navigate here, etc. So when you go to the announcement section, which is what you're referring to in the due dates, it is saying, please make sure to consistently review due dates. They're located on the course schedule in the Welcome to Class module. So whenever I'm referring to something that says modules, which is basically what our entire course is built at, you will want to go to the Modules tab. So when you click on that, you can see right at the top, it says Module 0, Welcome to Class. So right there is your Welcome to Class module. Now, if you click on the course schedule right here, this will bring up our course schedule, and it lists every week, every time an assignment is due. So although this still says iLearn, I'll adjust that to say Canvas because we're going to be submitting everything on Canvas now. But you can see week 1, August 24th to 30th, you can see what is due that week. And you scroll down and you see what is due that week, etc. So when it is saying something like refer to, you'll see later in the class, refer to the Course Essentials module. Here's that module for you right there. And then all of the content is embedded within the module. You can also see here module 1, which for our class, again, you can think of as a week because we're going every week a new module will open. You can see this module is just built this way because we did everything in iLearn already. But you don't have access to this module yet. But as you can see here on Monday, which is when your new week or your new module will open, you can see all of the things that are located within this module itself. So as you're working your way through, remember, whenever I'm talking about a module, it is on this modules page, and all of the information that you need is within each module that you are working on. I'm going to leave student view just so I can give you an example of this coming module. You don't have access to it yet, again, but just so you can see it so you're not surprised tomorrow. So every week you'll get a new module, or again, you can think about it as a week. So this week in our class, we are going to be focusing on an introduction to critical theory and pop culture. So what you'll do every week is you'll go through the module. So you'll start here with our learning goals and overview. So you can read about what we're going to do this week. And then there'll also always be a list of assignments that you need to complete that week. So you can see your list there. You'll then come over here and you'll click Next. And it'll bring you to the second part of the module, which is our lecture and our readings. So our readings for this week are listed here. I'm still working on getting the link to a couple of these so that you don't have to access it. But you can see right here, these ones already have linked. So if you click on it, it will download to your computer and you can read it that way. It'll also oftentimes have videos. So required video, class lecture, Thursday at 3:30. And then I'll oftentimes give you recommended videos. So you can watch, any types of lectures or interesting information that I think. So you'll work your way through that assigned material. You'll hit Next, and it will take you to the discussion board. Now, I haven't loaded in the prompt yet for this discussion board, but that is what they will look like. So here's an example. In the Course Essentials module, I've given you directions on how to complete discussion boards. So if I say go to the Course Essentials module and look up the directions for discussion boards, you will go over here, you'll click Modules, you'll scroll right here to How to Complete Discussion Posts, click on it, and then I have all of the directions here of what is required for discussion boards. I also have given you a little video so that you can see exactly how you post a discussion board on Canvas. So hopefully that makes more sense. Again, really have to be careful about like when you say module, we're looking here and then you can see like right there it says welcome to class. So if I'm referring to a module like that, you want to look at those headers that are up there to see where things are located.